Ready, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's all. What was that? Little bit.
Little bit.
Yeah. Ah, okay, good. Only this one leg is stupid shit. That shit. What? Really? Nice food, really? Oh, shit. Awesome, really. Can you show me? Yeah.
No, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Told you that, like, I said this wrong for shit for this. Told you. See what it does?
Right, yeah.
Always, buddy. Drop it. Ready, sir?
Yeah.
Just go up like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, nice. Lower. Oh. Okay. Go. Go. What? No, it is. It is. Messing with it. Too long. Just say. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You going?
Oh, yeah. Think so. Yeah. Yeah.
How black that gearbox is.
What?
How black the back of the gearbox is. Now we've got the body off, you can see the damage. Pipes split on the coil. Just try and get the light here. Split right in there. So melted the rear pump belt cover. melted some of the wiring here, so we've got quite a bit to do while the body's off. Bit of a clean up as well. Also, we've got to take care of all the underneath of the body while it's off. We've got quite a bit of rust to fix. Get it all off while the body's off. Get it all treated. Any welding need doing, we'll get that done. Get the gearbox all cleaned up. The top of the chassis. But we'll get the belts done tomorrow. Crossover pipe. Get the turbo off. Change the core in it. And then we'll work our way around. Get the front timing done. Change the water pump and some of these pulleys. They look quite rusty. The front's not too bad. Got a little bit of a patch up there to do. I have to put a patch up there. A little hole. Apart from that, it's not in bad condition. Keep watching for the rest of it.